In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use an American Express gift card on your PlayStation 5. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I'm gonna be commenting about how to use the American Express gift card through the PlayStation website. But as you might expect, you can also follow these steps directly through your PlayStation 5 console. So first, if you try to visit the website, or you go into the PlayStation Store inside of your console and you select the option to add a new payment method, what most users report is that even though they are able to add the American Express gift card as a payment method, when they try to finish a purchase of any game, any expansion, any add-on, when they proceed to checkout, they get a message telling them that the card is invalid. So, even though you can add the American Express gift card as a payment method, upon trying to complete a purchase, it's gonna tell you that it is not accepted. So, you have a workaround to this, and the one that I recommend in this video is that you purchase a PlayStation Store digital gift card on any retailer where American Express gift cards are accepted. Of course, I would urge you to first try using the American Express gift card before proceeding to purchase a digital card on different stores. If it works, you will be able to use the American Express gift card directly through your payment methods on the PlayStation Store. But if it doesn't, then you will have to use this workaround, because it seems like American Express gift cards are not entirely accepted on the PlayStation Store. So you can visit websites like Target, Walmart, or even Amazon and select to purchase a PlayStation Store digital gift card. You can add the item to your cart, proceed to checkout, and you will be able to use the American Express gift card as the payment method on these stores. As long as you choose it from here, you will be able to use the gift card on your PlayStation 5 console and then use it on the PlayStation Store to purchase any game, add-on, or anything that you wish. Make sure that you have enough balance on the American Express card and you will be set. I hope I was able to help you on how to use American Express gift card on the PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.